I'm going to show you how to create an arrangement using dahlias and zinnias. Let's go! Hey guys! So my friend who's a local flower farmer gifted me with some dahlias and zinnias from her garden. These are amazing. I'm so excited to show you how to arrange these together. So the first step is I'm going to start with some of these bigger blooms. Some of these are so top heavy that they, kind of have a mind of their own when it comes to how they lay. So I'm crossing these over. I'm going to just arrange this in my hand and then do a little tape and throw it in the vase. So it should be really easy. I'm taking this one next. The idea here is just to have sort of a rounded frame, but I want to keep it natural and just really organic at the same time. And then I'm also thinking about the colors and how they will play together with the pinks, peaches, oranges, kind of grouping clusters together so it has a nice story. I'm keeping this really big bloom down low because it kind of acts as an anchor, and then I'm going to keep these really small little blooms on the top end so it has some balance. And sometimes the blooms have a funky curve like this one, and they just want to be in their own position, so just let them do what they want to do. And you can help them, kind of guide them, but sometimes you just gotta let a flower be a flower. I like how that one kind of bends out. That'll be really pretty for the front. So now I just have to add these few little blooms. And these are going to be more ones that it's kind of funky. I'm going to tuck it in and just kind of let it do its thing. Being that these are local grown flowers, I feel like part of this design is just letting them be their wild self, So I'm really being inspired by these flowers and wanting to really let them shine. With this one, see how that's kind of the angle there, it's nice. Oh, that was cute. I'm going to put this flower right in that front corner. I like that. So, let's see if we can tuck it in the back. Cute. Give these a snip. And then what I'm going to do is loosely tape this up. I've got my waterproof tape here, and I'm going to wrap this around the bottom just because there's so many stems. I want to lightly secure it. So I'm just gently wrapping this tape around the base. About a couple times. Do we measure anything? I'll measure. So I measured, and then I'm gonna trim them a little shorter. Just where necessary, we'll tuck that in. Kind of like how they're kind of hanging. It's very natural. Pretty. So pretty. Pretty from both sides, and that's what you want. I hope you guys liked this dahlia and zinnia arrangement video. If you have local flower farmers in your area, I highly encourage you to check them out and see what flowers you can get your hands on. You may even find some really awesome ones like this. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this with a friend. And have an awesome day.